So I'm here at TIU Aesthetics Hostel. It's one of the best hostels around in terms of locations, right across from Maidan Square, 100 meters away. It's surrounded with great public transportation. There's buses, metro stations right downstairs, and surrounded with great restaurants, supermarket, and so on. Now, there's other things I love about the hostel is the friendly staff. They help me book taxi rides, help me get a SIM card, and a lot more. But I'm sure you guys wonder how the rooms and amenities look like. So let's go to the amenities first. So if the weather doesn't cooperate, you can always come to the common area. Here's a mini bar, and as well as a TV. The Wi-Fi is high speed throughout the property, and as well bookworms. There's a nice library for you to catch up on your readings. For those of you who's heading out worried about your belongings, don't worry, there's actually a lock safe here, and this is just a very comfortable place for you to just chill out or head out. So for those of you who want to make even more friends, this is a nice lounge / kitchen. So you can feel home away from home because you can cook your own food here. The hostel is surrounded with supermarket and grocery stores, so there's always a place you can get your ingredients. On top of that, tea and coffee are always free on the house. What's more, you can also do your own laundries. How nice. So this is where I stay. As you can see, it's very comfortable. I slept inside a double bed. This room is suitable for 2 to 4 people. There's 2 dorm beds if you have friends and family or even kids that they can stay in. One thing about this room I really like is it has a fridge, in-room fridge, as well as a large closet to put all your clothing in. So for those of you who's in an ultra tight budget, this is where you can stay and also make some new friends. These are very high quality mattress and it's very comfortable. The linen's included, and also they come with a nice workspace for you to catch up on your readings or assignments or anything you need to do. So one thing I love about this hostel is the fact that it's always clean everywhere, and the shower is 24-hour hot, like the hot water just on demand.